the taste from the Scentleaf. I noticed that whenever I prepare food without observing any protocols, just add everything together and prepare it just like that, the food normally come out very well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much, guys. I cannot thank you enough for all the lovely comments, for the support you have been giving to this channel. God bless you. Yes, today is the first video, my first ever cooking video since after I gave birth. So guys, what are we going to cook today? We'll be cooking unripe plantain porridge. Yeah, read my lips. Unripe plantain porridge. That's what we are going to be cooking. It has been long I cooked in my kitchen after giving birth. So guys, stay tuned. Let's cook together. And feel free to share out the video to your family, friends, colleague, man the street, man, in fact, everywhere shareable. Only open if you just here. I'm gonna ask Keziah now. You understand? You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So let's get right into the cooking. But before we proceed, let me introduce you guys to the things I will be using to prepare this yummy plantain porridge. These are all the things I will be using to cook this recipe. First, I have my salt, I have my shrimp seasoning cube, I have my oziza powder, which is kubeb seed. This is the powder. I have fermented oil bean. I have my diced onion. I'm using both colors of onion, the pink and white, but you can use either one, okay? I'll be adding curry powder as well. Here is my smoked mackerel fish and my dry catfish. I have some palm oil, habanero pepper, crayfish, and Scentleaf. And here is the chairman of the occasion. The chairman of occasion is the unripe plantain, which I've already diced into smaller cubes, as you can see. But it's frozen, guys. I'll be using frozen ones. Hope you can see it very well. I'll be using frozen ones, but I will not be waiting for it to thaw. I will cook it directly because it's still the same thing. So guys, let's get right into the video. This will be a simple recipe. Very simple recipe. So the first thing I will be doing is to add some water inside my pot, as you can see me doing now. This is just normal water from the tap. Now I will be adding my plantain. Don't forget to turn on your heat. So I almost forgot to turn on my heat. I will just use this thing to break it a bit. Yeah, I think I need to come a bit closer. So after breaking it a bit, you see the level of my water. My water is almost the same level with the plantain, as you can see. So I will add my fish. I'm just basically adding everything together now because this is a simple recipe. I will add my crayfish, add my habanero pepper, I will add about 1 teaspoon of curry powder, add my oil, my palm oil, a nice food doesn't need to be complicated. Once you cook food very easily like this, it tastes so good. But complicated food sometimes doesn't have taste. But this kind of food that you add everything together before cooking, the taste will just be wow. Now I'm adding my onion. The next thing I'll be adding is my seasoning cube. You can go ahead and use any seasoning cube of your choice, but I'm using shrimp seasoning cube. I'll be adding my fermented oil bean. It's so hard now because of the weather, because of the winter. Before, once you do it like this, it will crush, but now it's hard. Yeah, done. The next thing is my uziza. That's the kubeb seed. And now I'll be adding salt to taste. I will not be adding my scent leaf now. I will leave it and keep it aside till after 15 minutes. Then I can come back and add my scent leaf. But what I'll be doing now is to stir. I will just give it a stir and cover the pot, cook it for 15 minutes. Then I come back and add my scent leaf. I'm just giving it a stir so that the ingredients I added will go down. It will mix very well. So once I'm done stirring it, I will cover my pot and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Then I come back and add my scent leaf. Okay? So see you soon. Do not go anywhere, guys. Just wait for me. I will come back and finish the cooking. So guys, it's 15 minutes already now. So you can now test for salt and seasoning cube. Test for anything you want to test. If the salt is not enough, you can go ahead and add a little bit of salt or seasoning cube, but everything is perfectly okay. So I'll be adding my scent leaf now. I'm using dry scent leaves. If you don't have scent leaves, you can use pumpkin leaves. You can use spinach as well. But there is this taste this scent leaf gives it. So it's preferable you use scent leaf, but if you don't have it, don't bother. Just use pumpkin leaves or spinach, okay? I can perceive the scent leaf smell. I can perceive the smell. So I just give it a stir and allow it to simmer for a minute. Then I will bring it down. So guys, it's 1 minute already and my plantain porridge is ready. So let's dish it out. Let's dish it out. The smell from the Scentleaf, oh my god, it smells so nice. I wish you are here to perceive the aroma that is oozing and coming out from this pot. I think this is enough for me. Yeah, it's enough for me. Guys, here comes the end of today's video. How is it looking? How is my plantain porridge looking? Guys, rate me. Come and dine with me, okay? Come and dine with me. Guys, it's testing time. Testing time. This first spoon is for you guys. So let me eat it and tell you how the taste came out. Oh my days. It has been long I ate plantain porridge. It has been long. I really craved for this. The taste from the Scentleaf. I noticed that whenever I prepare food without observing any protocols, just add everything together and prepare it just like that, the food normally come out very well. It's still hot. I need to end this video here so that I will sit down and deliquate this yummy food. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, share out the video. Bye and see you in my next video.